风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。
做什麼唔可呀嘅東西很貴呢？
太貴了，要說好貴哦。
對啊，希望可以便宜一點。
Hey, let's teach you how to say so expensive today and see if you can get a discount. 好貴怎麼說？
當貴。
當貴 All right， 那當然要去這個巴勞說一下，好貴啊，可以算便宜一點嗎？ It's so expensive. Can you give us a discount?
當貴呢？
當貴呢？
做得算便宜的位麼？
算便宜的位麼？哦，便宜就是便宜嘛。OK, that means cheap. Can you make it cheaper? 便宜的位就是便宜一點點。其實另外一種說法就是說可以打折。對，just give us a 20%, 30% off, right? 打折。大讚。可以打折嗎？做得大讚麼？做得大讚麼 OK, that means can you give us some discount? Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50% off. There you go. Again, if something expensive, you say 好貴。當貴 and now you know, 下次買東西可以好好打價了。That is today's Daily Hakka.
是不太敢。
男子這一章來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.